Hello everybody, I'm Rupakshi. Welcome to my page and I'm a podiatrist student. Already told you guys about this. So today we will be talking about Raynaud's phenomena. मतलब कि ये एक ऐसी condition है, it can potentially lead to like emergency cutting of your hands and toes. Because क्या होता है कि in Raynaud's disease ये वहाँ पे होते हैं जहाँ पे कोल्ड वेदर होता है एंड whenever the temperature is like cold, what happens is in like these areas and also on the toes of your foot, so the blood circulation is not fully happening, or because of cold weather your blood vessel क्या है कि वो छोटी हो जाती है and there is not enough blood supply going here, and then within the time the tip of the fingers there is no blood coming in here, तो क्या होता है कि वो white हो जाती है and then it gets swollen up as well. अब जो मतलब कि लोग अब बिलो लाइक 30 है उनकी क्या है कि इम्यून सिस्टम इज क्वाइट स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड दे विल ओवरकम द इशू, बट वो अबाउट इफ द पीपल आर लाइक 60 अबव द इम्यून सिस्टम इज सो वीक, और मतलब कि अगर एक लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल पूरा दिन अगर इधर ब्लड नहीं गया तो दे बिकम वेरी वाइट, एंड अगर ऐसा ही चलता रहा तो मीन्स दे वॉन्ट बी एनी ब्लड सर्कुलेशन एंड सून द फिंगर विल टर्न लाइक ब्लैक विद द लैक ऑफ ब्लड सप्लाई और पर्पल इन कलर. तो मतलब कि ऐसी इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन को अवॉइड करने के लिए क्या होता है, स्पेशली जो लोग लाइक कोल्ड प्लेसेस पे रहते हैं, सो दे शुड कवर अप देयर body and try to warm them up, wear gloves, wear mask. It can also get triggered if you have other like diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, SLE, any migraines, and or कोई medication like for example जो भी लोग होते हैं above 60 they are taking like these heart medications for high blood pressure, तो क्या होता है उनके blood pressure लो करेंगे. और जैसे कि हम देख सकते हैं कि हमारी पूरी बॉडी एक चाहे तो इधर आके ख़त्म होती है या फिर हमारे पैर में, तो वहाँ की जो मतलब कि blood vessels है they quite small in the size and they anyway show the symptom first whenever you have any problems like your feet gonna be sore or your hands gonna be sore because of lack of blood supply. So now what are the risk factor, ये किन लोगों के अंदर मतलब high chances are they will be more likely to develop. Females above 40 high chances because of all the physiology of a woman, like when they stop, when they are get menopause, a lot of hormonal change happens, and because of that it can get triggered in female more as compared to man, although it can happen in anybody. And genetics, if your family got the history of like chilblains की जब भी ठंड होती है तो उनके हाथ पैर सूज जाते हैं, and also people who smoke, if you are smoking your blood vessels anyways gonna be like constrict, there won't be enough blood supply happening, or there will be fluctuation like high blood pressure, low blood pressure, like that. And also like in elders above 60 they anyways are prone to like get any disease. Now what are the treatment, the treatment क्या होता है कि कुछ लोगों में they can fix the condition themselves because of the immune system, but when it comes to about like people who in their 60s, so they should contact GP immediately, and the medication is called nifedipine. It's a nifedipine. And so what else I wanted to talk about is कि अगर कोई 60 से ऊपर का इंसान है, if they don't have blood supply and their fingers are like white in color and they get the swelling, so their skins are already like fragile, the high chances they will develop a cuts, infection. And imagine if you don't have the supply of blood in the area, how severe and how hard it will be for them to heal the wound. And in most cases like I have come across, they don't heal, and then infection keeps on spreading, and trust me, a small cut in those kind of people can lead to amputation. Like हमें हाथ ही मतलब कि finger ही काटनी पड़ती है to prevent the like infection traveling further. So anyways, thanks for watching. We'll update you with any more condition of the body which you should be completely aware of. Bye.